Did you know that most people spend more energy managing other people's comfort with their grief than actually healing from their loss? Imagine grieving without apologies, crying at work when the wave hits, taking time off without explaining your broken heart to your boss, refusing to smile and pretend you're fine because it makes others comfortable. Picture unfriending people who say everything happens for a reason, skipping family dinners when you're not ready to perform happiness, honoring your loss in ways that feel right to you, not what society expects. Here's what happens next. Some relationships end when people realize they can't rush your healing. You discover who truly supports you versus who just wants the old you back. You realize how much energy you wasted protecting others from your pain. The truth, some people will leave when you stop making your grief convenient for them, but the ones who stay, they're your real tribe. Your healing doesn't need permission. Your timeline doesn't need approval. Grief isn't a performance, it's your journey, and you get to take as long as you need.